I know we've been inside and spending so much time inside for coronavirus, but it's starting to be winter time when we really do want to we want to be inside. This time we want to be inside and keep warm and out of that cold weather. And so we start to think more about what our indoor plantings are going to look like and what can make us happy while we're simultaneously keeping warm during the holidays. And this plant right here, this is 2 varieties of a Chinese evergreen. They're standing right in front of me here, but they are my favorite. These are tested by Catherine Arensberg. I've had this one in my house for almost 6 months now, and I haven't killed it. And you guys know that I'm a designer, not a green thumb, and this baby has stayed alive for all these months. So it has my full approval, my 2 brown thumb approval, that this will stay alive in your house. If you just walk by every once in a while and throw the extra water from your glass from last night in it, it'll stay alive. It shade, you can handle not being next to a sunny window, it can handle all the things. So if you guys are looking for a beautiful indoor plant that can last even the brownest of thumbs and has a little bit of color, the Chinese evergreen's for you.